walk you through my process of creating one of my layouts. If you want to see some of my past ones, I've got some really cute examples here. I haven't journaled in this one yet, but this is my little junk journal. And this one I did upside down, which ended up being a funny thing. This is my last FabFitFun choices, some fun fall recipes. So these are some of the cute things I've done for past boxes for FabFitFun. And I'm going to create a layout here with you today. So the FabFitFun winter box is here. And it's hard to believe because it really feels like it's just started to be fall. I'm going to start off just by labeling. And let's do small. Fab. Fit. Fun. Okay, and then we'll go winter and 2025. So the FabFitFun box has gone up in price. It's essentially $260 if you buy the annual subscription American and $80 American if you buy a seasonal subscription. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in saving $20 off your box. When you buy the annual, you already are saving $60. So that's really the way that I would go. It comes 4 times a year, and we are customizing the winter box here. So I'm going to highlight some of my choices for you, some of the things that stand out to me. There's a couple of kitchen items, some glasses and some bakeware that I'm not interested in, and some beauty products and some perfumes, some blankets. The blankets are gorgeous, but I don't need any more blankets. I think I'm going to end up with the slippers in this category. They look cute, something practical. I also like the look of that Goop Beauty. It gets really good reviews. It's a exfoliant, and it's restricted to the US only, so I may not choose that for my box. There's a luxe choice here as well. It's Fenty perfume and body cream. I'm not interested in that. Customization number 2, we have a lift serum, a marble tray, a purse that I like the look of, $128 value on that. There's a candle, a pair of pajamas, some Lemmy Grow capsules, some bowls, Riku ceramic bowls, and Skin Fix exfoliating pads. The thing that most interests me there is the pajama set and the purse. The customization number 3 is normally my favorite. I don't love a lot of things in this category, but I am definitely looking at the blurring setting powder. It's something I have never tried and thought might be an interesting thing to give a try to. And the other things in this customization didn't really wow me, with the exception of the color wow. So you can get a beanie in this, you can get a tumbler. I've got 1,000 of those, but the color wow is restricted to the US only. It's like a supernatural treatment spray. The Bobbi Brown face moisturizer was another thing that I thought looked pretty good. There's some coasters and a luxe choice of Foreo as well. Then customization 4, they had a garlic set, a pair of blushes, some underwear that matched the pajamas, lip gloss. The thing that I like in this category is the Very Cherry Piece Sponge and Puff set. It's $45 value, and I thought if I got that in customization 3, that blurring powder, those would go really well together. There's also a necklace in this category. Customization 5, there's a dry shampoo and a candle snuffer, some socks, note cards, which I do not love the look of. I might be tempted by the note cards if they were a nice design. I think they look terrible, honestly. I don't like the colors. They don't really have a strong winter seasonality to them. There's nothing appealing about those to me at all. the Patchology on the Fly travel kit. I would love to get the sponge gel in this category, but it's restricted to the US only. And then there's some Rosie Jane products here, some bath oils. Not interested. A digital offer, I don't even entertain those. Another Luxe choice of some gloss. I just gloss over any Luxe choices. I'm not interested in paying more on top of what I already pay. And then the Customization 6 has a conditioning mist, a lip liner, a puzzle from Kate Spade, some jewelry. We have some earrings, a toner from Perricone MD, a set of espresso cups, and then 2 clothing items, some shaping shorts and a belt. So the belt and the shorts are the things that most catch my eye in this category. I also really like the look of the Kate Spade puzzle. It's red and it's got all kinds of fun little desserts. It's 500 pieces. Some items that you won't see in my box are any items that have toxic chemicals. I've just gone to a conference and listened to a podcast, and both of them were unrelated, but both of them were talking about forever chemicals and how many different endocrine disruptors are getting into our lives and into our bodies through a variety of different home and beauty products. So I'm trying to stay away from things like candles that you are breathing in these toxic chemicals. Could be the paraffin wax. It could be the actual fragrance itself. If things have essential oils, they're safer. I definitely like FabFitFun for their paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. That is fantastic, but I'm definitely going to watch the fragrance ingredients as well. So you won't see me picking up any perfumes or any of the candles in the box. So here's what I'm ending up with my box looking like. It's going to have the slippers, pajamas, a blurring powder with the sponge set. So these go together. Actually, these 3 go together. This soft, unhide pair of socks. So we've got cozy socks, slippers, and pajamas. A blurring setting powder with sponge puff set. And then either the shorts, the belt, maybe even the puzzle. And that could be it for the box for me. But if I get the US box, in Customization 1, I will get the goop. In Customization 2, I will get the purse. In Customization 3, I will get the Color Wow. Yes, I am definitely getting an American box. That Color Wow alone, I want for my daughter. Then in Customization 4, I'll get the NARS blush. 5, I'll get the sponge gel. And then 6, I can split up this either or. I can get the belt or the puzzle or the shorts. So that's what my boxes are going to look like. Okay, let's try to keep it to just 2 boxes. Can we do it? Probably not. So the reason why I wanted to do this now, before I start to see the influencer choices and before I start to see what everybody else is picking, I thought it would be good to put down in my mind, if I had no other influences on me, what would I pick? And this is my box. Let me know what you're picking down below. Do you get the FabFitFun box? If not, I'll leave you a link for a coupon. I love the box. Can't get enough of it. Highly recommend it. If you want to support my channel, that's a good way to do so. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.